Welcome to the all-new Seriously Simple Podcasting. Here we're going to walk through how to connect Seriously Simple hosting to your existing Seriously Simple Podcasting install. I have the podcast category over here with Seriously Simple Podcasting created. I'm going to go in to my settings area and you'll see a couple of new tabs, one of which is hosting. Hosting here is going to ask you for your name and API key, but first let's sign up for our Seriously Simple hosting account. I'll start our free 14-day trial and enter in my details here. Create my account, and we're all set to go. You'll see here when you get into the Seriously Simple hosting dashboard that you'll need to create an API key to connect to Seriously Simple Podcasting. We'll do that now. Enter in the name of our show. We'll call it the Seriously Simple Podcasting Show. And the slug that goes along with the name of your show. Great. Now we have our API key. We'll copy this and come over back to your WordPress dashboard. Enter the same email address that you used to create your account and paste that API token in and click validate. Credentials valid. Now let's save. And we are all set. One other thing you'll notice here is once you've created and connected your Seriously Simple hosting account to your WordPress install, that a podcast import tab will appear. You have two options here. One, if you have existing episodes already, those can be automatically imported to your Seriously Simple hosting account from your WordPress server. That's just a one-click install, and all you have to do is click a button. It will take place as a background process. If you are coming over from another service like Libsyn, SoundCloud, or Simplecast, just send us a message, and our team of engineers will help to migrate all of your data over to your WordPress site and to Seriously Simple hosting for you free of charge. Okay, great. Now we have our hosting account connected. Let's add a podcast episode. So we'll call this Episode 1, Revenge of the Sith, for all you Star Wars fans. Great. Now we come down here, and just like you're used to with uploading your podcast episodes, we can come into our podcast I'll just grab this file here, and it's uploading to Seriously Simple Hosting. This is going directly to our dedicated media hosting platform and not to your WordPress site, not to your WordPress web server, so your site will run fast and your files are stored in a safe and secure place for your listeners to download and to stream them with really high performance. You can continue editing this post while the file is uploading. Star Wars Day was yesterday. Today is Cinco de Mayo. You can add anything, series, tags, podcast. Okay, great. File's uploaded. Now we can publish our episode and take a look. Let's take a look at that episode. All right, everything is there and it's looking great. Let's go back over to our hosting account and take a look at the episodes here as well. Okay, we see episode 1 is published. We can click on it to see the show notes that we created and then go along with it. And if you want to grab a direct link to that file, you can do that here and just copy this link. If you want to paste this into a third-party media player or something like that, you can do that here. It is also in the podcast details area on your WordPress post editor, and you can see this is the slug that we created when we were creating our account back in the Seriously Simple hosting dashboard. And that's it. That's all it takes to connect your WordPress site to a dedicated media host for your podcast. I hope you enjoy Seriously Simple hosting and all the things we're doing here with the Seriously Simple Podcasting plugin. If you have any recommendations or suggestions, just drop us a line. hello@seriouslysimplepodcasting.com. I hope you enjoy, and we'll talk to you soon.